Hello everyone, this is Saurav and welcome to Odisha Post Live, and these are today's top headlines. The Odisha government Thursday effected a major reshuffle in IAS cadre. Vishal Dev has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary and A.K. Meena as Panchayati Raj Secretary. Special Secretary to the Chief Minister R. Vinil Krishna has been given additional charge of Sports and Youth Affairs Department. D.K. Singh has been posted as Secretary of Steel and Mines, while Surendra Kumar has been posted in the General Administration Department with the additional charge of Tourism Department. Preparations are in final stages for conducting the special offline matric examination from July 30 in Odisha. It will continue till August 5. The examination will be held with strict adherence to COVID-19 guidelines across 504 centers. A total of 15,136 students will appear in it. Odisha Higher Education Department today released the Common PG Entrance Test Schedule. The test for admission into state public universities and colleges offering PG courses for academic session 2021-22 will be held from August 23rd till September 3. India achieved the target of doubling the tiger population 4 years ahead of schedule. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on International Tiger Day today. India is home to 51 tigers reserves spread across 18 states. Currently, the total population of tigers around the world is known to be at 3,900. As many as 3,000 of those are in India. Six-time world champion MC Mary Com's pursuit of a second Olympic medal ended in the pre-quarterfinals of the Tokyo Games as she went down to Ingrid Valencia in a fiercely fought showdown. Reigning world champion PV Sindhu sailed into the women's singles quarterfinals after beating Denmark's Mia Blichfeldt in straight games at the Tokyo Olympics badminton competition. In archery, Atanu Das knocked out two-time Olympic champion Oh Jin Haek to join his wife Deepika Kumari in individual pre-quarterfinals. The Indian men's hockey team stormed into the Olympics Games quarterfinal with a comprehensive 3-1 victory over defending champions Argentina in its penultimate pool match. India's Anirban Lahiri got off to a solid start, carding a 4 under 67 in the first round to be placed tied 6th at the weather-hit Tokyo Games golf competition. That's all for today's top headlines. Stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.